Are you looking for the best bed frames? In this video we will look at some of the best bed frames on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LIKIMIO Queen Size Bed Frame. 16 inches wide huge wingback headboard designed with the innovative fashionable nail head trim and button tufted design, will add sophisticated and fashionable style to any bedroom. Wrapped with high rebound memory sponge, is soft and breathable, providing a cozy backrest experience built into AC outlets and 2 USB ports. Let you charge within your reach. Besides, the top of the headboard leaves 4 inches storage space, making it convenient for you to place commonly used items, such as books, phones, cameras, etc. Composed of the solid metal frame and central cross design of 12 thickened wooden slats, reinforce the sturdiness and durability of this full-size platform bed. The full bed 8 inches extra underbed storage space provides enough space for storing items, and is great for storing boxes, shoes, etc. Keeping your room tidy and clutter-free. EVA strips between the slats and metal frame provide cushioning resulting in noise-free use. All slats are attached by Velcro. All pieces come with sequence numbers that can easily be done by one person within 30 minutes. Number 2. LIKIMIO Full-Size Wood Platform Bed Frame. 51.2 inches bookshelf headboard with sliding barn door and wooden underbed drawers. Charming wood grain and color. Ideal for country or farmhouse bedrooms. 4 compartments with 2 adjustable shelves for books and decor. 2 drawers on wheels for clothing or blankets. A wealth of storage space for impeccable organization. Convenient USB ports and outlets on a 4.9-foot cord offer flexibility to charge your devices while unwinding or working. Robust metal and 12 support legs for unwavering stability. Enjoy peaceful nights with 12 metal slats for mattress support and noise dampening foam tape. No box spring needed. Takes 2 adults 2 hours to assemble, with all necessary hardware included. Responsive customer service team addresses issues within 12 hours. Number 3. Sturdy noise-free queen bed frame. Our metal platform is recessed with 2 USB ports which power your side and read the needs of your device to provide optimal charging and charge up to 2 devices at once. Adapter free, making it very convenient for you to charge your phone, tablet, headphones and other electronic devices within your reach, or use a book light to easily read while lying in bed. The queen metal bed frame will provide you a relaxed atmosphere for your night. The metal bed frame come with 20 colors LED lights, which have 21 dynamic modes, 8 speed levels adjustment with 8 brightness modes. You can use the remote control to adjust the color and mode to create different atmospheres. Constructed with heavy-duty steel and accented with rustic black wood, this queen bed frame with wood headboard can bear up to 1,500 pounds. 14 in underbed storage provides space for storing your items, and is easy to clean, bidding farewell to cluttered space. Number 4. LIKIMIO Queen Bed Frame. Heavy-duty metal frame and strong wooden slats for long-lasting durability and stability, ensuring a comfortable sleeping experience, and providing reliable support for the mattress and your body. Charging is at your fingertips. You can conveniently store books, cell phones, glasses, alarm clocks, etc. Perfect for bedtime reading or lying in bed. You can easily store extra bedding, clothes, or any other items to keep your living space tidy. The classic neutral grey color and clean lines upholstered headboard easily complements any bedroom decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your living space. The packaging design is eco-friendly while protecting each component well, and all the tools needed are in the box. You can easily install and get a new bed frame. Number 5. Allewie Queen Size Platform Bed Frame. The comb of the fabric side panel and metal bed frame will enrich your room with a simple and chic look. Designed with 2 side drawers and 1 large front drawer at the bed end, this queen size storage bed offers perfective storage space for the bedsheet, accessories, off-season clothing, etc. The 3 quick detachable drawers in different sizes allow you to manage your bedroom optimally. No fixed headboard design. With reserved holes in 2 legs, it can easily blend with all headboard decor, making room for you to customize your headboard according to your style. Strong wood slats system and low center of gravity design strengthen the sturdiness and durability of the whole bed structure. We provide non-slip strips pressed to the slats and a unique buckle structure design, helping stabilize the bed frame and prevent noise. Plastic foot plugs added to the bottom of the bed feet will never scratch your beloved floor. Dual protection to promise you a sound sleep. Wood slats provide strong support for your latex, spring, or memory foam mattress without the need for a box spring. All the labeled pieces are well packed in one box with a detailed instruction book. 2 persons can easily assemble it around 30 minutes.